Hey everyone, welcome back to Speakeasy English. I'm Henry.
Hey friends, I'm Luna. So, happy you're joining us today.
You know, we've already done a bunch of lessons about banking.
Yeah, remember those? Opening a bank account, depositing or taking out money, sending a wire transfer, applying for a credit card, asking about bank fees, and even reporting a lost card.
Right? All those were about going to the bank in person.
But these days, most banks really want you to use online banking.
Exactly. It's super handy. You can check your balance, pay bills, or send money without leaving your couch.
So today's lesson is all about setting up online banking.
We'll walk you through the steps, like downloading the app, logging in, setting up security, and making your first payment.
And remember, this is shadowing practice. We'll say the sentences slowly so you can repeat after us.
Repeating makes the words stick and helps your English sound more natural.
All right then, let's jump in. I'll start with downloading the bank app.
All right, let's start with the very first step, getting the bank app on your phone.
Most banks in Canada and the US have their own official app in the App Store or Google Play.
Yeah, just search the name of your bank, like TD Bank, RBC, Chase, or Wells Fargo.
When you find it, make sure it's the official one. Look for the bank logo and check the publisher's name.
If you're not sure, read the reviews or download it directly from the bank's website link.
Once you tap download, it will install automatically.
After that, you'll see the app icon on your home screen.
Here's a useful phrase you might hear. Please download our mobile app.
Repeat after us. Please download our mobile app. One more phrase, you can find it in the App Store.
Repeat after us. You can find it in the App Store.
And remember, downloading the app is free. If something asks for payment, that's a red flag.
Good tip. Always check you have enough storage space and a stable Wi-Fi connection so the download doesn't get stuck.
Once the app is ready, the next step is creating your online banking account.
Great! The app is on your phone. So what do you do when you open it for the very first time?
Right. When you open the app for the first time, it usually asks if you are a new customer.
Tap on Sign Up, Enroll, or Create Account. It's the same idea.
You'll need some basic details, like your name, date of birth, and the account number from your bank card.
Sometimes they also ask for your postal code or the last 4 digits of your phone number, just to confirm it's really you.
A phrase you might see is, create your online banking profile.
Repeat after us. Create your online banking profile.
Another one is enter your account number.
Repeat after us. Enter your account number.
After you type everything in, the app usually sends a code to your phone or email.
That's called a verification code. You enter it to prove it's your account.
If the code doesn't come, check your spam folder or tap resend.
Once you confirm, your account is ready, and you can move on to logging in for the first time.
All right, your account is created. So now let's log in for the very first time.
When you open the app, it usually shows a login page with spaces for your username and password.
Your username might be your email, or sometimes the bank lets you choose one.
And your password should be something strong letters, numbers, and maybe a special symbol.
Here's a phrase you'll see often. Please enter your username.
Repeat after us. Please enter your username.
And another one is, please enter your password.
Repeat after us. Please enter your password.
After you type them in, the app may ask if you want to save your login details.
If you're using your own phone, that's fine, but don't save it on a shared or public device.
Good advice. You might also see a checkbox that says, Remember me.
Tap it only if you are sure your phone is secure.
Once you're logged in, you'll usually see your home screen with your account summary.
Perfect. And before you do anything else, it's smart to set up your security features.
Now that you're inside the app, it's time to make your account secure.
Yeah, banks really care about safety. They usually ask you to set up security questions or two-step verification.
Two-step verification means you log in with your password, and then the bank sends a code to your phone.
That way, even if someone guesses your password, they still can't get in without your phone.
Here's a common phrase. Please set up two-step verification.
Repeat after us. Please set up two-step verification.
Another one you might see is choose your security question.
Repeat after us. Choose your security question.
Good. Security questions are things like, what is your mother's maiden name? Or what was your first school?
Just make sure you choose answers you'll remember, but other people won't easily guess.
Some banks also let you use fingerprint or Face ID.
That's super handy. It makes logging in quick, but still safe.
And don't forget to update your password once in a while.
Great! Once your security features are ready, you can safely check your balance and see your transactions.
All right, your security is set. Now let's see how to check your balance.
When you open the app, the first screen usually shows your account summary.
That means you can see how much money is in your checking and savings.
If you want details, tap on the account and you'll see recent transactions.
Like deposits, withdrawals, card payments, and transfers.
Here's a phrase you'll hear a lot. Check your account balance.
Repeat after us. Check your account balance.
Another useful one is view recent transactions.
Repeat after us. View recent transactions.
Sometimes the app even shows pending charges, like something you bought but hasn't cleared yet.
That helps you keep track of your spending in real time.
And if something looks wrong, like a charge you don't recognize, you can call the bank right away.
Exactly. Keeping an eye on your balance and transactions is the best way to protect your money.
Next, let's talk about making a transfer or paying a bill.
Now that you can see your balance, let's try sending money or paying a bill.
Most apps have a button that says Transfer or Pay Bills right on the home screen.
If you tap Transfer, you'll usually need the other person's email, phone number, or account info.
Yeah, for example, in Canada, people often use Interac e-transfer with just an email.
Here's a phrase you might see. Enter the recipient's information.
Repeat after us. Enter the recipient's information.
Another one is enter the payment amount.
Repeat after us. Enter the payment amount.
Then you choose which account to send from, like checking or savings.
And sometimes the app lets you write a note, like rent for May or grocery money.
When paying a bill, You usually pick the company, like Hydro, Internet, or your phone plan.
Add the account number from your bill so the bank knows it's your payment.
After you check the details, hit Confirm or Send.
And right away, you'll see a message saying payment successful or transfer complete.
That's it. Quick, easy, and no waiting in line at the bank.
Next, let's see what to do if something goes wrong or you need help.
Sometimes things don't go smoothly, and that's okay. Let's see what to do if you run into problems.
Yeah, maybe the app doesn't load or the password doesn't work.
If that happens, first check your internet connection.
And if the app keeps freezing, try closing it and opening it again.
Here's a phrase you might use when calling the bank. I can't log into my account.
Repeat after us. I can't log in to my account.
Another one is, the app is not working.
Repeat after us. The app is not working.
If nothing works, most apps have a Help or Contact Us button.
You can usually chat with support or call a helpline number.
And remember, never share your full password or code with anyone, even bank staff.
Right. Staff might ask you to confirm some digits, but they will never ask for the whole thing.
Good. Once you know how to get help, you're ready to review everything we learned today.
Wow, we covered a lot today.
Yeah, we went from downloading the bank app to creating an account, logging in, setting up security, checking balances, making payments, and even getting help.
That's basically everything you need to start using online banking with confidence.
And remember, these phrases are the same ones you'll see or hear when using real banking apps.
Now let's do a quick role play to review what we learned. I'll be the bank staff and Henry will be the customer.
Hi, I'd like to set up online banking.
Sure, please enter your username and password.
Okay, I've entered them.
Great. Now you can see your account balance.
Perfect. I'd like to pay my phone bill.
Done. Your payment was successful.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Now here's your challenge. Can you remember 2 phrases for logging in and 1 phrase for making a payment?
If you need more practice, just replay this lesson and shadow the sentences again.
Thanks for joining us today. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.
See you next time.